darlings, this is your Ed Puzzle quiz on IQR and box plots. So make sure you're an expert on the topic above and realize that your answers are final, so you need to be careful when you're choosing an answer. Also, make sure you have a blank sheet of paper and something to write with. Go ahead and put the academic integrity statement in the box. So which of the following is the formula for the IQR? And IQR stands for interquartile range. I'm going to give you a lot of choices on this question. Click the 5 that are the correct points we need for the box and whiskers plots. All right, take a look at this one. So we have a 6th grade math test and a box and whiskers plot. I want you to find the best answer for minimum and make sure you write down that number because you'll need it later. Choose the best answer for maximum and write down that number. Choose the best number for your median and make sure you're writing that on your paper. Which number is the best one for the Q1 and write that on your paper as well. And which one is the best answer for Q3 and put that on your paper. Next, calculate the IQR for this graph. What does it mean that the last whisker is short? And what does it mean that the second box is big or bigger than the first? What does it mean that this one's bigger? All right, folks, that's it. Have a great day.